We're still here.
That was scary.
Oh, Ratchet, you ate my entire
Quark,
family.
could you...
Now
On
how
it.
are we supposed to get married?
Aren't you cold?
Oh, Charl, raise, bend, bard, harka, stoves! Better? I cast a freeze resistance spell over us.
Kronk, come in. Zephyr, do you copy? Super.
I was afraid you were gonna say that.
I have a feeling this is going to be a long...
Oh, no. Come on!
Oh, this is it. The end of President Captain Quark. I can feel death's icy grip. Nefarious, I'm sorry I pushed you around in high school. You were smart, and I was such a...
Moron?
I was gonna say Adonis, but if you want to be a jerk about it...
I'm sorry, too. You should know that even as I was wishing the Blarg would tear you apart limb from limb so I could river dance around your smoldering, squishy carcass, I still considered you a friend.
An intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
If you fellas are done, I'm gonna need that wrench back. Yep, Home Office sent me out here to fix a broken Versa fuse. Usually I stitch the toilet-related catastrophes, but, you know, I'm filling in for a guy. Well, there you go. She's ready for one non-stop trip to Uzo City.
Wait, aren't you gonna give us some cryptic advice we can use to defeat Mevo?
Oh, sorry, Fred. That kind of advice, I'm afraid I don't have. Good luck.